In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply the sci-fi text effect in Canva. If you want to give your text a more futuristic, stylized look, Canva makes that very simple with its built-in text effects. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the effect and how to apply it so your design stands out more clearly and looks a bit more dynamic. To begin, open Canva and either create a new design or open an existing one that you want to edit. This can be any type of project, like a presentation, social media post, thumbnail, poster, or any other layout where text is being used. Once your design is open, make sure you can see the text element you want to customize on the canvas. Next, select the text. You can do this by clicking directly on the text box in your design. When the text is selected, Canva will display the text editing options so you can make changes to the style, appearance, and formatting. It's important to make sure you've selected the actual text element you want to edit, because the Effects menu only appears when text is active. After that, look for the Effects button in the top toolbar and click it. This opens the panel where Canva groups together different visual styles you can apply to your text. Depending on your design and screen size, this panel may appear to the side or as a floating menu, but the option you need will still be inside the Effects section. Once you're in the Effects panel, go to the Advanced area and select Sci-Fi. As soon as you click it, the effect will be applied to your selected text. This style gives the text a more futuristic and tech-inspired appearance, which can work especially well for gaming graphics, digital-themed content, creative titles, or anything that needs a modern visual edge. If the effect doesn't immediately look the way you expected, make sure the correct text box is selected and try viewing it at a comfortable zoom level so you can see the styling more clearly. Subtle design effects can sometimes look different depending on the font size and layout, so checking it directly on the canvas helps. And that's it. You've successfully applied the sci-fi text effect in Canva. Once the effect is on your text, you can continue editing the rest of your design as needed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.